Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Optimize your blood strike sensitivity. So I'm gonna teach you so optimize your blood strike sensitivity. So here we're doing the PC. I'm gonna show you the mobile version one. So here the PC version, the sensitivity that I put here. So once we go to the sensitivity that I put here is 90, 70, 70, 70, 70, 70. So I recommend 70, 70, 70, 70. Even on the scope right here, 70. So it makes it much more easier to aim when you are scoping. So yeah, and here we have the firing sensitivity. Here at the ADS steering, so I suggest here putting it on 50. There we go. All of it put on 50, even though just put it all on 50. There you go. Sensitivity on 50. You're on PC. There you go. There you go. So this is the setting for you. But if you're like a Counter Strike player, I suggest putting your ADS no ADS steering to like about 40 or maybe lower, depending on the aim or gameplay you play on it. I suggest putting it 40 or lower. But I'm a Fortnite player, so I'm gonna put it high. So yeah, there you go. Now we're gonna test it on a game. So I'm gonna show you how it's much more easier when you put it on that sensitivity on your PC. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for a match. No, it's taking a little bit long. So we're gonna just go to practice range. So here at the practice range where we're for a match, as you can see, it's much more easier to aim. There you go. As you can see, there you go. See, there you go. As you can see, much more easier to aim for the head and kill the enemy. So yeah, there you go, guys. So you see, boop, bap, boop, bap, boop. Okay, it's much more easier to aim your gun. And even without ADS, it's much more easier to move your head around. So let's say when you're running, like something like this, and there's an enemy on your right, so you slide and you can move your ADS. Like that. So gonna try it again, and we're gonna try to hit that guy. Slide. There you go. As you can see, it's much more easier. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it on the comment section below. And a little bit of information, a little bit of tips. Blood strikes firing. It's like more on um, Fortnite. It's like more on Fortnite. Once you point it, it much more easily hits rather than the other games like the bullet. You have to shoot right here. So when you shoot here, when he moves right there, you're gonna hit him. But here it's like more on a movement racing once you're playing. So yeah. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment section below. Now we're gonna move to our mobile phone.
Hey guys, now if you're using your phone to change sensitivity, I suggest the best sensitivity when using your phone is a little bit the same as the PC version 1 because here, just click on the settings right there, go to your sensitivity, and here on the sensitivity right here, I suggest turning on uh, turning the no EDS steering a little bit low. So this one is the only different part of it, a little bit low if you're like a casual gamer using your phone. But if you are very good at using your phone, you can turn it up to a little bit much more higher to get much more aim. So I suggest putting it on 150. So putting that on 50, iron dot, tactical, all of those scopes right there, always put it at least at 120. It makes it much more easier to do. And a quick tip, just click on there and then type the number that you want. Let's say 120. We're gonna delete that. There goes, much more easier. As you can see, 120. There you go. Get turn that all 120. Let's see. There. There you go. 120. Because it's much more easier to point and aim. Because when it's low, it's hard to move the sniper scope when you're just new. But if you're just like a casual player, I suggest putting it a little bit much more lower than usual. If you know how to play on your mobile phone, I suggest putting it on higher. It gives you much more easier to shoot. So here, global sensitivity, as you can see right there, sync. We can sync that, but we're just gonna turn it off. We have the advanced settings right here. Advanced settings here is for the X and Y. Right here, you can see X is for the side, Y is for the up and down. If you want to be more advanced on that, you can just turn it on, or if not, just follow me, turn it off, and just follow this. 150, 120, 120, 120, 120, 120, 120, and there you go. So after doing that, firing sensitivity here is your firing sensitivity you will see right here. I suggest putting that all at 150. Back to 150 right here. 150, and I suggest 120 on all of this right there. There you go, as you can see. So we're just gonna hold it. We're a little bit lazy. Yeah, you can also do this. You can just hold it if you want to make it go up, or you can just click on the minus to make it go down. You can hold the minus as well. There you go. There you go. We have the gyroscope. So gyroscope, so as you can see right here. So gyroscope, we can turn this on or maybe off. So but here we're just gonna turn it off. But if you want, you can turn it on while ADS. So I suggest, if you're not usually used to using your the gyroscope right there, I suggest turning it on while using ADS only. But if you're used to it, I suggest always on, even without the ADS on. But there, I just suggest, if you're just new, turn it off. If you're a little bit mid to pro, let usual casual, I suggest while ADS only. And if you're a pro, already know the basics and what to do, I suggest always on. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.